test. So today, so how many are not ready for the test? They only raise the hand. How many
Sir, I
are
am ready. Sir, I am
no,
ready.
no, I am asking how many are not ready. I asked them to raise the hand. Everyone is ready. Nobody raised the hand. Okay, then we will conduct the test. And okay.
Sir,
Yes. All of you want
sir,
to speak?
Surya was saying that. Sir, Surya was saying that I am angry because sir is not taking test.
Sorry, Sergil. Okay. Few
Yes, sir.
of the
Surya Sergey.
few I see that raise the hand. One is Astha Kumari. Okay, Astha.
Sir, I haven't completed my homework because sir, I was not feeling well.
Okay, no problem, no problem. But you must be getting ready that you can understand that we are conducting test, online test. So this way, actually, as we don't have the classes regularly, so there must be some way to teach you, isn't it, beta? So I'll be conducting test, Viva test only, because that will give you some hints also that which kind of questions may arise in your exams, isn't it? So we need that. सो सौर्या सरगिल को ही पहला क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. सौर्या. ओके ना. पहला क्वेश्चन. यस. तो आप लोग हाथ नीचे कर लो. आप लोग हाथ नीचे कर लो. हम जिसको चांस देंगे सिर्फ वही बोलेगा, है ना? तो हाथ उठाने की जरूरत नहीं है किसी को. I'll ask one by one. So my first question goes to Achal. Achal Singh. Achal, I asked you to unmute. What are the different types of computer? What are the different types of computer? I'll ask two questions each. Achal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what are the different types of computer?
The different types of computer are microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, supercomputer.
Okay. Now, what are the features of mini computer? The features of mini computer.
What? These computers are bigger in size than microcomputer.
Then
They have a higher processing speed and conceptualize than microcomputer.
Achal, I can understand you are reading the book, isn't it, Achal? Be honest, because if you cheat now, you will not be able to learn, dear. So be honest. If you don't know, just say, sir, I didn't learn. Okay, no problem. That's not a problem. But don't read through the book, because that means you are cheating somewhere. So don't do that. Okay, Achal, I pass the question to Akriti. Akriti Emram.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now, let me ask you the difference between microcomputer and mini computer. Let me ask the difference between microcomputer and mini computer.
Sir, microcomputers cost less. They are small in size and they are also known as personal computers,
Okay.
and examples are Commodore 64, and microcomputers are more
Akriti, I'm correcting you. I'm blocking your answer. Don't learn that Commodore 16 or something you just said. Nah. Instead of, you can say that desktops, the laptops, the handheld devices. These are the examples of microcomputers. You need not to learn the difficult ones. Okay. Simple ones will also help.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then
Okay,
what
sir.
about mini computer?
Mini computers are the same size of refrigerator, and they are speed from
They are
microcomputers,
correct. Correct.
and they can support 4 to 200 users at a time.
That's all. That's all. Three differences is enough. Okay.
They
Three
are
dif-
used
they are used by large organizations, isn't it? Okay then. Akriti. Okay. Now I'm going to ask a question from Ananya. Ananya Singh. Ananya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes,
Ananya,
sir.
how many generation of languages, computer languages are there? How many generation of computer languages are there?
Sir, there are 4 generations of computer.
Yeah, what are those?
Sir, first level language, second level language, third level language.
No,
fourth-
Ananya, the question is very clear. How many generations? So you better say first generation, second generation, third generation, and fourth generation, isn't it? Not levels. Instead of that, use
Yes,
generation.
sir.
Okay. Now see, there some part of the answer is in the question itself, isn't it? So you must be very smart.
Yes, sir.
You must be smart to
Yes, sir.
get the hint of the answer from the question. So you know there are 4 generations. That is first generation, second generation, third
Yes, sir.
generation, and fourth generation. Now let me ask you one more question. What are the features of fourth generation language? Fourth generation.
Sir, what is the features of fourth generation language?
Yes.
The structured query language is
That is
most
the-
popular
that is the-
example of 4GL.
That is the example. I asked you the feature.
So features.
Yes.
Uh,
Okay. Okay. I asked, be there. Don't mute yourself. I asked Soria Sergil to answer. Soria.
No, sir.
No, sir. You raised your hand like this.
No, sir. I like that.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
application development tool.
Not exactly. I give Netul a chance. Netul.
Sir, machine independent, minimal
Correct.
skills required to. Sir, you asked features. There are 2, that characteristics and features.
Features. I asked the features.
Machine independent, minimal skills required for obtained result, application
Optima.
development tools.
Yes. Now, listen here. For all of you, not only for Netul or Ananya, I'm guiding you all. The
Yes,
answer
sir.
could be like this. The fourth generation language has the following features. Number 1, it is very user friendly. समझ में आया?
Sir, your
Instead of-
voice is not coming.
Okay, my voice is not
Sir,
coming.
cutting it.
Okay, that may be because of the network issues, my dear. I'm facing some network issues nowadays. I asked my service provider also to get back the connection or repair it. So from tomorrow, I hopefully will get a better connection from tomorrow onward. Hopefully, I'm getting a better connection. For today, there may be some disturbances. Okay, so just try to understand.
Okay, sir.
First one is user friendly, highly user friendly. So if it is highly
Highly
user friendly, yes, you can write the even you can write the answers.
Sir, I can tell.
Yeah, highly user friendly. So first point. Second,
An
minimum,
independent of.
yes, minimal effort required for getting optimum result. Third, it could be it is platform independent. Okay. 3 is sufficient, I think, isn't it? Okay. Okay then.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, now let me move to Vandana. Vandana Valotia.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. My dear, what is the difference between the compiler and interpreter? Difference between compiler and interpreter.
Compiler and
Interpreter. Yes.
Compiler is a translator.
Okay. Vandana be there. Aryan. Okay. Komal Sakshi, Kumari Sakshi want to answer. Yes, Kumari. Sakshi. Sakshi. No. She went off. So let me ask Aryan Raj. Aryan Raj.
Yes, sir.
हाँ कुमारी साक्षी बोलो आंसर बोलो.
Compiler is a translator program which translates the line at once, and interpreter also translate but line by line.
Not enough. There may be few more differences. Aryan Raj. Aryan Raj, you want to answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, answer it, man.
So what is the question?
Question is the difference between compiler and interpreter. What are the differences between compiler and interpreter? ये किताब देखने चल गया. Okay. I can see a few people had learned. नेतुल को तो पता है ही है, हम जान रहे हैं. नेतुल हाथ उठा रहा है बार-बार. I can see you in the video as well as the hand raised. Okay, Netul. Yeah, Netul. Answer.
Sir, an interpreter translates the program one line at a time and then executes its instruction. This process is repeated for the entire program.
Yes,
and
correct.
Compiler, on the other hand, translates the whole program at once and then executes its instructions.
Yes, that's correct. And beside that, interpreters are faster than compiler. The second difference is, you can write the second difference also. Interpreter are faster than compiler. Now, how it is faster? Interpreter compiler से fast कैसे है? क्योंकि इंटरप्रेटर हर लाइन को एग्जीक्यूट करता है. जैसे ही हम लोग कमांड टाइप करते हैं, इंस्ट्रक्शन टाइप करते हैं, तुरंत क्या करता है इंटरप्रेटर उसको कन्वर्ट करता है और एग्जीक्यूट भी करता है। जबकि कंपाइलर में क्या होता है कि पूरा प्रोग्राम टाइप करना होता है, उसके बाद वो कन्वर्ट होता है, तब जाकर के एग्जीक्यूट होता है। सो द सेकंड पॉइंट में भी interpreters are faster than compiler. Okay, okay, then next
Compiler.
question.
Okay, sir.
Next question. I'll ask. I will ask. Who's the whom? Hemin. Hemin, you are my next target. Yeah, Hemin, you are on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hemin, what are the difference between assembler and interpreter? The difference between assembler and interpreter. Okay, Hemin, what
Sir,
does the assembler do? Hemin, what does the assembler do? No answer from him. So I pass this question to Ishika. Ishika Raj.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what are the differences between interpreter and assembler?
Assembler is a translator program used to convert a assembly language into a machine language,
Correct.
whereas a interpreter is used to convert a high-level language into a machine language by line by line.
Well said. Very well said. Very well said, Ishika. Now, Ishika, I'm asking you another question. That is, define machine language. Define machine language.
Machine language is the only language that a computer understands. It is expressed in binary form, that is 0 and 1, where 0 means off state and 1 means on state.
Very well said, Ishika. Very well said. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome. Now, let me give a chance to Pragya. Pragya Anand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, Pragya, let me ask you a question of characteristics of fourth generation computer. Characteristics of fourth generation, sorry, not the computer, fourth generation language. Just now we answered it. Characteristics of fourth generation language. प्रज्ञा आनंद, आप क्लास में ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो. Just now we had discussed about them. अभी अभी बताए. Be concentrated, प्रज्ञा. You are missing. कम से कम जिन लोगों को नहीं आता है, please try to copy the answers, because those I may be asking you very different types of questions. Okay, now the question I pass it to Anishul Haq. Anishul, can you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the difference?
Characteristics of the fourth generation language.
Yeah.
Highly user-friendly and independent of any operating system. Very high speed of execution. Designed to reduce the level of programming efforts.
Well said. Well said. Very well said. Very well said. Now, let me ask you one more question. name the, give few example of microcomputer. Give few example of microcomputer. Three will be enough. Anishul Haq, बंद कर लिया. Anishul, I'm still
Yes,
with you.
sir.
Yeah. Give the example of
Sir,
microcomputers.
desktop computer.
Correct.
Sir, desktop computer.
आगे
Hand
बढ़ो.
laptop computer. Phantom computers.
Palm top. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now I give a chance to whom? Saksham. Saksham, are you there? Yes, Saksham.
Yes, sir.
Now, say something about embedded system. Say something about embedded system. No.
An embedded system has a computer hardware with software embedded into a larger device.
सक्षम, ये तुम याद किया? सच बोलना. नहीं ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
I had
Uh,
you.
Okay. That's good. Nicely said. What are the differences between laptops and tablets? Laptops and tablets.
Laptop computers are portable device, but the tablets are big in size like laptops. They are necessary in our daily life. Laptop computers are small in size and placed on a lap. These tablet computers are smaller and lighter than laptop computers.
कुछ मिक्सअप हो गया है. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. It's fine because when I ask question and you have to answer, at that time sometimes we get confused and we mix up our answers. थोड़ा सा मिक्सअप हो गया, थोड़ा सा. ठीक है. When you will write, that will be cleared out. So next time, Saksham, do well. Okay then. I gave the same question. I pass it to someone raised the hand. I think that is Shreyanshi Singh. Shreyanshi. Shreyanshi, you don't want to speak? Oh, sorry, not Shreyanshi. This is Shreyansh Singh. I made a mistake.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Shreyansh, now say the difference between the laptops and tablets.
The difference between the laptop computer, these are small in size and can be placed on the lap. These are battery operated and portable. We can perform all the tasks and it as we can do on a desktop.
Yes, correct.
And desktop computer, these are
laptop,
designed to fit
tablets.
compared.
अरे गधा, tablets.
Oh.
Tablets के बारे में
These
बोलो.
computers are smaller, lighter, and laptop computers, but bigger than smartphones. Instead of a keyboard and mouse, tablets touch sensitive screen for typing and navigation.
Yeah, good, not bad. One more question, Shreyansh. Obviously, I'm asking everyone 2 questions. So one more question goes to you, and that is, what is mnemonic code? What do you mean by mnemonic code?
Mnemonic code.
Yes. Anyone who can answer, can you show your hand? What do you mean by mnemonic code? Yes, Devraj. Devraj.
Sir, numeric code is used in assembly language in place of 0 and 1.
Correct. That's correct.
For example,
That's correct. Okay. Devraj, as you are in now, you have one more question to answer. एक और क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना पड़ेगा आपको. Now, explain embedded system. Say something about embedded system.
sir, embedded system is one of that a computer hardware with software embedded or embedded into a longer device.
Larger device, into a larger device. Okay. Now I'm going to take your attendance. We have only some 5 or 6 minutes left. ठीक है, 5-6 मिनट बचा है. हम लोग पहले attendance ले लेते हैं. This is 6B, isn't it? आप लोग 6B से हो तो yeah, Nitul, I'll be coming back to you. Before that, let me take the attendance. Okay, Nitul. So first one in my list today is, I can see that is Nitul Raj, as he had raised the hand. So second is Aman Raj. Aman Raj. Then we have Astha. Then we have Akriti Hemram. उसके बाद है अनन्या सिंह. उसके बाद है अनुरंजन कुमार. वाह वाह रे, पहली बार आया है क्लास में. और निकल भी लिया क्या? नहीं है. उसके बाद है अर्णव गुप्ता. देन वी हैव वंदना कुमारी वलोटिया. आर्यन राज आज नहीं दिख रहा है. अनन्या सिंह. आपका तो अटेंडेंस दे दिए बेटा. अच्छा, कुछ डाउट है? हम आते हैं आपके पास. देन कम्स वंदना वलोटिया. देवराज सिंह. देन वी हैव इशिका राज. ह्योमिन. देन कुमारी प्रज्ञा आनंद. कुमारी साक्षी. Madiha was also there. Anishul Haq. Then Rajneesh Raj. is there. Rajveer Modi. उसके बाद है राकेश कुमार. अब है सागर सुमन. फिर है सक्षम कुमार. Then we have Saurav Kumar. Shivam Kumar. मिला, सौरभ कुमार मिला. सौरभ कुमार, आप एब्सेंट बहुत हो. सौर्या शेरगिल. कहाँ चल गया सौर्या? हाँ, मिल गया. सौर्या शेरगिल. उसके बाद है श्रेयांश सिंह. अब है सुधांशु राज. Then we have Suhani Kumari. Sumit Kumar. सुमित कहाँ चल गया? सुमित, तो सुमित कहाँ है? सुमित से पहले भी हम देखे। सुमित कुमार, I don't know. Tejas Kumar Jha, then Tanya Sinha, and Vanshika Raj. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And one more name, Sumit Kumar. सुमित कुमार, आप शायद इस क्लास के नहीं हो। ओके, वंशिका राज, वंशिका है?
Yes, sir.
वंशिका राज हाथ उठा के है, इसीलिए आपका अटेंडेंस नहीं हो पाया। हाँ बोलो वंशिका। नहीं हो गया?
Yes, sir. You have taken my name. हो गया sir.
Yeah. Then you have any problem, any doubt? No. नेतुल, आप सोचो तब तक नेतुल बताएंगे। यस नेतुल।
Sir, Surya wants a chance to that question answer. No, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you two fight out.
My attendance.
Yes, I had taken your attendance. Now you two fight among yourself and decide whether you want or don't want. Okay, Aman Raj.
Sir, he wants. No, sir.
Sir, my attendance was taken.
Yes, obviously. Your attendance
Thank you,
is
sir.
taken. Okay. Now, Tejas.
Sir, my attendance taken, sir.
Yeah. Tejas, who asked that? Tejas.
Sir, you don't want.
Tejas.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो। अटेंडेंस बेटा, अटेंडेंस आपका हो गया। आई कैन नॉट लिसन यू तेजस। ओके,
Sir, you have taken my attendance.
yes, I had taken your attendance, Tejas. Okay, then Sudhanshu Raj. Sudhanshu, नहीं बोलना है।
Sir, my taken attendance.
अरे बाबा, हो गया, सबका हो गया। वंशिका, you have a doubt? No doubts. Okay, we are left out with 2 minutes. If you have doubt, you can raise your hand. Yes, Devraj.
Sir, next class also test.
Yes, obviously. And in the next class, I will take the test on the next chapter, that is tables in MS Word. Okay. In the next class, I will take
Okay,
a
sir.
oral test on tables in MS Word. I'll give you the instruction in Class Plus Lite also, that oral test on class next chapter. Okay. So be ready with them.
Okay.
And अच्छा, एक चीज तो भूल ही गए. We had not clear doubts of that chapter, isn't it? नितुल, हम वीडियो देख पा रहे हैं तो उस चैप्टर का हम लोग डाउट नहीं ना क्लियर किए थे, तो उस चैप्टर का डाउट क्लियर करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. वी विल हैव द डाउट क्लियरेंस ऑफ चैप्टर 3, दैट इज द टेबल्स इन MS Word. Vanshika, you want to say something?
No, sir.
Okay.
खत्म नहीं हुआ.
हाँ, नहीं खत्म नहीं हुआ. मम्मी पूछ रही है खत्म नहीं हुआ. Okay.
No, sir. He is my brother.
Oh, he is your brother. Okay. Have a nice day. And if you have a class, get prepared for the next class. Rajbir Modi, आपका attendance हो गया. सभी का अटेंडेंस हो गया? So next class we will have the discussion on tables in MS Word. Okay, fine. Have a nice day and get prepared for the next class if you have